Hi and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to make money on Facebook using your personal Facebook profile. And especially what we will cover in this video is how to make $10,000 per month from using Facebook, something that really works. So you can win nice little trophies like this from someone who walks his talk. What I found is that there's a lot of BS out there, and I want to show you in this series on how to make money on Facebook something that actually works. And the whole series is part of a product that I've created, which is called the Free Traffic Cash Machine, which is an introduction into Facebook marketing, because there's a lot of nuance and things that you will have to do. So in this video, we will go over how to get high quality leads, what you need to do exactly, how to do it, and how you can get started, and what I recommend. So this is what we will cover in this video. So let's jump into the first point here of what it is that you will need to do. What you will need to do is first and foremost, and this is the basic of everything that I teach here on this channel inside this course, you need a high quality product, something that you really believe in, something that where you're not ashamed to sell it to, even to your friends, to relatives, something where you think this will genuinely help people out there. So this can be typically a service, maybe it's coaching if you have expertise, it can be an affiliate product, it can be a software, it can literally be everything. But one thing, and this is something where I see a lot of people fall off the wagon, fail. Like I recently, like today, I even worked on a blog post why 98% of people fail when they take online marketing courses and things like this to make money. And this is because, the thing they try to implement, they do not have a unique selling proposition. They spread themselves too thin. And I want to make sure that, or you want to make sure that what you're selling actually works and is good or better than anything the competition offers. And this is why it's so important to build a solid foundation, why it's rewarding, and why it makes sense to spend a lot more time on research to find, or to go all into something that you really believe in. And this is one of the biggest mistakes that I see people make. And if you want to learn more about like the product that I'm selling, which helps with this whole make money on Facebook stuff, check out the links in the description or somewhere below this video. I will point to them. I will not go over into the details or pitch you anything in this video. But how does it actually work? So the first requirement, as I said, is to have a super high quality product. And then how does this work? First and foremost, you need a plan to get to $10,000 per month. And for this, it really like you want to at least have an idea of which route, which kind of business you want to build. For example, like you can get there with just one enterprise client paying $10,000 per month for a service that you provide, a done for you service, something like this. Somebody who is really wealthy, who really has a huge problem to pay for your coaching service, or believe that you have the expertise. And this is nothing that you can fake, or nothing where you can use a quick rich scheme. Like you actually want to deliver something that really works on an ongoing basis. Or you can go essentially the same route and have 10 smaller clients paying you $1,000 per month to get to this $10,000 per month from Facebook or from any traffic source that you actually use and want to use in your business. And this is a little bit harder because it requires more volume and there's churn and everything. You would need to have 100 clients paying you $100 per month for some service, a software, an affiliate product. This is harder to pull off. It takes more time typically in the beginning to get this started, and this is the route that I'm taking with this online course, with these videos and everything. But just keep in mind that this stacks up over time. And if you have a high quality product, the Ads Made Free Accelerator program that I offer, where you find the link in the description, this is something that really can build your business over the long time, especially if you're selling a software like an all-in-one software that helps you to get clients, to retain clients, to convert more clients into paying customers. This is something that a lot of businesses really need, and this is why I'm so excited to share all of this with you in upcoming videos. But let's go back to why we or like how to make money on Facebook using your personal profile. So the strategy is pretty simple and straightforward. First, we need to identify where to find our ideal customers, the people that really need our products. Maybe it's affiliates who try to promote a product that is not working as well as it was advertised, and then you go into maybe a group like this. You share value and story posts. You be helpful, you reply to comments, you try to help the members in these groups, and then you simply add friends, and then you play the long term, because you know that the software or the solution, the coaching, whatever it is that you want to sell, like your service, maybe it's web design or whatever, is beneficial, and these people really need this. And so this is essentially the whole strategy behind this. A lot of people try to make it overcomplicated, but this is essentially what we will do. The software that I'm selling essentially helps you to put this into a really systematic manner, so you can become much more efficient with this process to get to this $10,000 from your personal profile much faster. So what does this mean? Like, you really want to watch the other videos in this how to make money on Facebook series, but essentially the most important thing, and this is what I just want to stress, is that the product that you're selling or that you want to sell is actually a high quality product. That's the biggest thing that I can just leave you with in this video. It does not matter if it's service, coaching, freelancing, whatever it is. You really want to make sure that you offer a high quality product, and that you then focus on your USP. So you make sure that what you're selling actually works and is good or better than your rivals. And if you like this video, please put a thumbs up if you're watching this on YouTube, or make sure to watch my masterclass where I go much more deeper into the whole process. But for this video, this is what I really want you to leave with. So thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.